What if you could manage your entire law practice, every case, every client, every hearing date, every court document, all from a single, beautiful web app that runs completely on Google Sheets as the backend, with absolutely zero server costs? Meet LexFlow, a full-featured legal case management system built for real lawyers and solo practitioners. It is fast, it is clean, and it is surprisingly easy to set up. Here is a quick look at everything it does. The dashboard gives you a real-time command center, total cases, active matters, client count, overdue and pending tasks. Then we have today's hearings with a one-click WhatsApp reminder button to remind the client about the upcoming hearing date, followed by a weekly and a monthly hearing strip. Then we have overdue and pending tasks. Few quick launch links to popular legal references and portals. Case management comes with live search, status filters for active, pending, closed, and archived, and an eCourts integration badge on every case so you can check the Indian court portal in one click. Just type in the shown CAPTCHA and all the case details appear before you. Each case has a rich 5-tab detail page: overview, hearings, documents, tasks, and links and references. Everything about a matter, all in one place. Adding a new case takes under 60 seconds. You fill in the title, case number, client, court, judge, opposing party, and filing date. There is even a CNR number field for Indian eCourts integration. Clients have their own full profile with contact details, notes, and it features a dedicated KYC document section where you upload Aadhaar, PAN, property papers, FIR copies, and more. Files go directly into an organized folder in your Google Drive automatically. Hearings are tracked with purpose, court, date, time, and status: scheduled, completed, adjourned, or canceled. Every hearing card has a one-click WhatsApp reminder button that drafts a professional message for your client. And when a hearing is added, it automatically creates a timed event in Google Calendar with court details and reminders, 24 hours and 1 hour before. Tasks do the same as all-day events on their due date. Let me show those hearings and task reminders in mobile also. Legal practitioners will find these notifications to be an essential tool. The Global Hearings view shows all hearings across all cases grouped by month, with color-coded left borders: gold for today, teal for upcoming, gray for past. The calendar is a full week view with color-coded hearing blocks per case, navigation controls, and a case legend at the bottom. Tasks work like a professional to-do list: high, medium, and low priority, overdue badges, one-tap checkbox completion, and direct links back to the parent case. The Documents tab inside each case lets you add typed notes, filings, evidence, orders, contracts, or upload any file directly to Google Drive. Files are organized automatically into per-case subfolders. The Links and References tab stores external URLs, court portals, Google Docs, evidence links, anything, all neatly organized per case. Global Search, triggered by Command K, lets you instantly find any case or client across your entire practice. And look at this! The entire app runs perfectly on your phone. A lawyer checking their hearing schedule between court sessions, a junior associate looking up a client's CNR number on the spot, or quickly sending a WhatsApp reminder right before stepping into court. That bottom navigation bar gives you one-tap access to everything: home, cases, calendar, and tasks. You can even add it to your phone's home screen directly from Google Chrome using Add to Home Screen, and it opens and feels just like a native app. All of this is powered by Google Sheets as a database, deployed as a Google Apps Script web app. No server, no monthly fees. Just copy the script, deploy it, and you are done. Let me walk you through deploying this from scratch. First, open the Google Spreadsheet link in the description. This is the backend database for the entire application. Click File, make a copy to save it to your own Google Drive. Give it a name like My Law Practice Legal Case. Now open the spreadsheet. In the menu bar, click Extensions, then AppScript. This opens the Google Apps Script editor. Click the blue Deploy button, then New Deployment. Set Execute As to Me, so the script runs under your Google account. Set Who Has Access to Anyone. This is critical. Without this setting, the front end cannot communicate with the back end. Click Deploy. Google will ask you to authorize. Click through the permission prompts. You are just authorizing your own script to access your own Sheets, Drive, Calendar, and Mail. Once deployed, you will see a web app URL. This ends in /exec. Copy this URL. Now open the front-end app in your browser. The 3-step wizard appears. The system checks the connection, confirms it, and advances to step 2. On step 2, create your admin username and password. Your credentials are stored as a secure hash in GAS script properties, never in the spreadsheet in plain text. Click Create Admin Account. You land on the login screen. Sign in. And you are in. Now, let's head over to the Settings page to configure our integrations. First, let's look at the backend connection. The app auto-detects your backend URL, but if you ever need to manually overwrite it, like when running a local dev server, you can paste the script URL right here, click Save Manually, and you're good. Next, let's configure Google Calendar Sync. To get this working, go to your Google Calendar. It is better to add a new dedicated calendar for this. Let me call it Legal Case Manager. After it is created, go to its calendar settings, scroll down to the Calendar ID section, and copy that ID. Paste it into the Google Calendar ID field in Legal Case Manager and click Save. Finally, let's look at the Drive folder structure. Legal Case Manager organizes all client and case files inside your Google Drive automatically. This is how uploaded files are organized in Google Drive. If we open Google Drive in another tab, you'll see a folder named Legal Case Files right next to your spreadsheet. Inside, the app automatically generates a folder for each case. And inside that case folder, it sets up clean, organized subfolders for filings, evidence, orders, contracts, and notes. Every file you upload in the Case Documents tab goes exactly where it belongs, completely hands-free. If this kind of practical automation content is something you find useful, hit that subscribe button. It genuinely makes a difference for a small channel like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.